Hello learners, myself Dr. Renuka Mainde, corporate nutritionist and counselor in IGNOU for their MSc DFSM course. Learners, today we are going to learn about carotenoids. Let us understand what is carotenoids. Carotenoids have attracted the interest of researchers from diverse fields including chemistry, biochemistry, biology, food science and technology, medicine, pharmacy and nutrition for more than a century. This fascinating compound continues to be intensively investigated. Carotenoids are widely distributed natural pigment responsible for their yellow, orange, red color of fruits, roots, flowers, fish. They are invariably occurring in chloroplast of higher plants. Although these photosynthetic tissues, their color is masked by that of chlorophyll. They are found in algae, bacteria, mold and yeast. It is estimated that nature produces more than 100 million tons of carotenoids annually. Learners, let's initiate our learning with this interesting pigment carotenoids. In this module, we shall be learning about chemistry, absorption and metabolism, source and bioavailability of carotenoids. Let us see what is carotenoids actually are. Carotenoids are the class of more than 750 naturally occurring pigments synthesized by plant, algae and photosynthetic bacteria. These richly colored molecules are the source of yellow, orange and red colors of many plants. Fruit and vegetable provide most of the 40 to 50 carotenoids found in human diet. Alpha carotene, beta carotene, beta cryptoxanthine, lutein, zeaxanthin and lycopene are the most common dietary carotenoids. Alpha carotene, beta carotene and beta cryptoxanthines are provitamin A carotenoids, meaning they are converted by body to retinol. Lutein, zeaxanthin and lycopene are non-provitamin A carotenoids because they cannot be converted to retinol. To date, more than 750 different carotenoids have been identified, but only 40 to 36 are consumed in human diet, out of which the abundantly found are beta carotene, lycopene, lutein and beta cryptoxanthin. However, the most common carotenoids which are usually found in human diet, secondly, astaxanthin and cannxanthines are found in limited amount in human diet. The elevated intake of carotenoid-rich food is found to be beneficial for overall health. Let us now understand the chemistry and structure of carotenoids. Carotenoids are tetraterpenoid which contains 40 carbon compounds because they are formed by 8 isoprenoid units. The isoprenoid units are joined in head-to-tail pattern, but the order is inverted at molecular center. The two central methyl side chains are thus include 1,6 positional relationship and the remaining non-terminal methyl group is 1,5 positional relationship. All the carotenoids may be derived from acyclic lycopene by the process of hydrogenation, dehydrogenation, cyclization, oxygen insertion, double bond migration, methyl migration and chain elongation and chain shortening. The carotenoids and xanthophylls, which include carrot from carotenoids and tomatoes from lycopene, which strictly contain hydrocarbons, whereas xanthophylls are oxygenated carotenoids containing alcohol, carbonyl and other functional group. The carotenoids are lipophilic substance and thus insoluble in aqueous medium. except in certain cases where highly polar functional groups are present. Example, Norbixine, a carotenoid with dicarbonyl acid structure. The structural difference between bicyclic beta-carotene and acyclic lycopene resides in the fact that beta-carotene can be metabolized into a series of shortened molecules culminating in the formation of retinoic acid by eccentric cleavage pathway or retinal by central cleavage pathway. Learners, let us now understand the absorption and metabolism of carotenoids. For dietary carotenoids to be absorbed intestinally, they must be free from food matrix and combined into mixed micelles. Micelles is a mixture of bile acid and several types of lipids. Food processing and cooking help to release carotenoids embedded in their food matrix and thus increase intestinal absorption. Moreover, carotenoid absorption requires the presence of fat in the meal. As little as that, 3 to 5 grams of fat in the meal appears to be sufficient to ensure carotenoid absorption, although the minimum amount of dietary fat required may be different for each carotenoid. The type of fat, example, medium chain versus long chain triglycerides, the presence of soluble fiber, the type and amount of carotenoids, which is either esterified or non-esterified in the food, also appears to influence the rate and extent of carotenoid absorption. Because they do not need to be released from the plant matrix, carotenoid supplements are more efficiently absorbed than carotenoids in the food. Although carotenoids were initially thought to be absorbed within the cells that line the intestine, except by the passive diffusion, recent investigation identified a apical membrane transporter, scavenger receptor B type, and cluster determines the suggesting of active uptake of carotenoids as well. However, within the enterocytes, provitamin A carotenoids may be cleaved either by beta-carotene 15-15 oxygenase, that is also called BCO1, or beta-carotene 9-10 oxygenase, which is called BCO2. BCO1 catalyzes the cleavage of provitamin A carotenoids into retinal, which is further reduced to retinol, that is vitamin A, or oxidized to retinoic acid, which is a biologically active form of vitamin A. Learners, within the enterocytes, uncleaved carotenoids and retinal esters, which is derived from retinol, are incorporated into triglyceride-rich lipoproteins called chylomicrons, secreted into lymphatic vessels and then released in bloodstreams. Triglycerides are depleted from circulating chylomicrons through the activity of enzyme called lipoprotein lipase, resulting in formation of chylomicron remnants. Chylomicron remnants are taken up by liver, where carotenoids can be cleaved by BCO1, BCO2, or incorporated into lipoprotein and secreted back into circulation for delivery to extrahepatic tissues. It is found that carotenoids, which are more hydrophilic molecules in the enterocytes like retinoic acid and apocartinols, can be transported directly to the liver through the portal system. Hope learners, you have understood the absorption metabolism of carotenoids. Let us now find out the food sources. Orange and yellow vegetables like carrot, red pumpkin, papaya, beetroot are the rich sources of alpha and beta carotene. Spinach, kale also contains beta-carotene. Beta-cryptoxanthines are found in orange and red fruits and vegetables like sweet red peppers and oranges, yellow corn and watermelon. Lycopene is mostly found in pink grapefruit, watermelon, tomato ketchup and tomato products. The good source of dietary zeaxanthin includes yellow corn, orange pepper, orange juice, honeydew, that is melon, and mango. Lutein is usually found in egg yolks, avocado, and are highly biological active source. Learners, can you please tell me the two sources of lycopene? Correct. Lycopene is found in tomato and tomato products. Similarly, learners, can you tell me where the lutein is present? Yes, lutein is present in egg yolk and avocado. Let us now learn the bioavailability of carotenoids. There is number of factors that influence carotenoids bioavailability, absorption, breakdown, transport and storage. The type and amount in which carotenoids are incorporated belong to most evident factor. Carotenoids released from the food matrix greatly depends on their state as well as association with other compounds. The microcrystalline form of some carotenoids, example lycopene in tomato or beta-carotene in carrot, makes them less available as compared to those which are entirely immersed in lipid droplets. It is suggested that only 5% of carotenoids in whole are absorbed by intestine, whereas more than 50% are from micellar solution. In number of studies, thermal treatment was shown to increase carotenoids accessibility due to disruption of cell wall and bond loosening. The other factors such as genetic factor, nutritional status, gender, aging, infection also determines the carotenoids bioavailability. It is well established that any disease with the abnormal absorption of fat from digestive tract significantly affect carotenoids incorporation. Furthermore, interaction with drugs, example sulfonamides or aspirin, are also shown to decrease the bioavailability of beta-carotene. Learners, let's conclude now. We have learned that carotenoids are present in yellow and orange colored vegetable and fruits. The most important include beta-carotene, alpha-carotene, lycopene, lutein, zeaxanthin, beta-cryptoxanthin, alpha-cryptoxanthin, whereas gamma-carotene, neurosporin, carotene phytofluin and phytonine all are present in human plasma. The presence of fat improves the availability of carotenoids. We have also learned the important sources of carotenoids. Learners, let's conclude now. We have learned that carotenoids are present in yellow and orange colored vegetable and fruits. The most important include beta-carotene, alpha-carotene, lycopene, lutein, zeaxanthin, beta-cryptoxanthin, alpha-cryptoxanthin, whereas gamma-carotene, neurosporin, carotene phytofluin and phytonine all are present in human plasma. The presence of fat improves the availability of carotenoids. We have also learned the important sources of carotenoids.